Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will start the rules of Tajweed. The first rule of Tajweed: these are the letters called throatal letters. There are 6 throatal letters, and these letters will be pronounced from 3 levels of throat. The first level of throat, called bottom of the throat, and these letters are 2. The first is Hamza, Hamza, and the second Ha, Ha. Will pronounce from bottom of the throat nearest to chest, nearest to chest. Bottom of the throat in Arabic called Aqsa Halq. Aqsa mean bottom, Halq mean of the throat, and will pronounce nearest to chest. The next level, middle of the throat. Middle of the throat mean Wusta Halq in Arabic. Wusta Halq. Middle mean Wusta. Wusta mean middle, Halq of the throat, and these are 2 letters. Ain, Ha. Ain, Ha. Will pronounce from middle center of throat. Middle center of throat. Ain, Ha. The last and third level of throat, called top of the throat. Top of the throat. And in Arabic, Adna Halq. Adna Halq. Adna means top, and Halq of the throat. And these are also 2 letters. Ghoin, Kha. Ghoin, Kha. Will pronounce from nearest to mouth. Nearest to mouth. The part of upper throat. Ghoin, Kha. Ghoin, Kha. Inshallah, we will continue the next letter, the next lesson tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu Alaikum.